Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, and I'm making a video today of my 1958 Johnson JW-14 3 horsepower. I'm gonna do a barrel test on her. I got her just about completely restored. I don't have the cover on her. I don't have the silencer, the prop, the control panel on it yet. I'm going to run in the barrel first, and I'm still waiting on decals, but that'll be another video. So I'm going to put her in the barrel and dial in the carburetor. Show you how to dial in the carburetor on a 3 horsepower 1958 Johnson Seahorse. Here we go. Alright, let's give her a start. I have fired her up. She does start, but she hadn't been dialed in, so I got the gas turned on the gravity fed tank here, and I have a broken high-speed needle valve. I'm gonna have to use a pair of pliers to adjust it, but I'm kind of anxious to see how she runs, so here we go. That was too low. Shut down the high speed. Let me try that again. Wants to run. Let me start over. I'm going to bring the high speed valve all the way closed, and I'm going to open it 3/4 of a turn. It's a half, that's 3/4. Didn't like that low speed either. I'm gonna get me a knob to put on here. Yeah, I think I got the high speed adjusted right. Now I'm working on the low speed right here. like that. That's pretty good. I'm gonna tweak it some more. I'll keep you guys posted when I get the decals on it for a Bayou run. See y'all next video. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis and laissez les bon temps rouler.